Hey guys, today I'm gonna be showing a slime video. This is the slime. There is triple color slime. This is purple, this is white, and this is pink. Let's open it. Ooh, look at that. This is white slime. It's like milk. And this is the pink. Let's open the pink. Look at the pink. This is so glittery. Look. There's so much glitter on here. And this is the purple. The purple is kind of pigmented. It's kind of pigmented. And the white one is like milky white. It's like just white. And this is the pink. I really like the pink. It has a like cleary look. And it has the most glitter. Look. I'm gonna put it it's all done. And the milky slime. And the purple one. And it's all done. And this is my video, guys. So see you in next video. Bye.